Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install the SHEIN app on your iPhone. If you love shopping for stylish and affordable fashion, this app is a must-have. Let's get started. First, grab your iPhone and open the App Store. You'll find the App Store icon on your home screen. Just tap on it to open. Once you're in, tap the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in SHEIN. That's SHEIN. Then hit the search button. In the search results, you should see the SHEIN app right at the top. Tap to open it. Now go ahead and tap the download button. The app will start downloading to your iPhone. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically install. You'll see the open button appear next to the app. Tap it, and you're ready to launch SHEIN. When you open the app for the first time, you'll need to create a new account or login if you already have one. Just follow the prompts on the screen, and in no time, you'll be browsing through all the latest fashion trends and deals. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the SHEIN app on your iPhone. Super easy, right? If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more quick how-tos, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching and happy shopping. See you next time.